Here's where wavy chicken wire was used to repair a damaged area of an irrigation ditch, right where that tree was cut down there. The roots had created a tunneling of the water to outside of the ditch itself, which was about to collapse. This is in La Madera, New Mexico, and for $50 in cement we were able to make a 20-foot long cement liner for the ditch. And I think I have another photograph here. Let's see. Yeah, let's see if we can get this one up where we actually see the work in progress. There's Bronco putting together, laying the cement into the chicken wire. As you can see, the corrugated or wavy chicken wire, right at the point where the tree was removed to cover up the tunnels that were allowing water to escape.